നമസ്കാരം. എല്ലാവർക്കും KKTM മീഡിയ യൂട്യൂബ് ചാനലിലേക്ക് സ്വാഗതം. 2024 IT പരീക്ഷയിൽ വരുന്ന ഷോർട്ട് ആൻസേഴ്സ് വിഭാഗത്തിലെ ചോദ്യങ്ങളാണ് മൂന്നാം ഭാഗമായ ഈ വീഡിയോയിൽ കാണുന്നത്. Choose two correct statements related to the safe use of social media. Options: share as much personal information as possible. Keep personal information strictly private. Avoid using multiple social media. Do not friend strangers on social media. There are no legal regulations regarding the use of social media. Correct two answers. Keep personal information strictly private. Do not friend strangers on social media. Which of the following are free vector image editing software? Carbon, Inkscape, Adobe Illustrator, LibreOffice Draw, Corel Draw. Answers: Inkscape, LibreOffice Draw. For a school store, we need to create a table with the fields shown below in the database created using LibreOffice Base. Item code, item name, price, number in stock. Which of the following are the correct settings to be done in this regard? Set the field type of item name to text varchar. Set the field type of item name to number. Set item name as primary key. Set item code as primary key. Set price as primary key. Correct answers: set the field type of item name to text varchar. Set item code as primary key. Select from the following two tools in Synfig toolbox. Correct answers: option A and option D. Find from the following two important personalities who made major contributions to the growth of free software. Richard Matthew Stallman, Tim Berners-Lee, Linus Torvalds, Ada Byron, Charles Babbage. Correct answer: Richard Matthew Stallman, Linus Torvalds. A network switch has been brought to network the computer lab. Now, what are the essentials needed to complete the network operations? Modem, RJ11 connector, HDMI cable, UTP cable, RJ45 connector. Answers: UTP cable, RJ45 connector. Find out the correct statements regarding the square obtained when running the given Python program. Program is begin fill, color blue, yellow, for I in range 4, forward 100, right 90, end fill. Options: the sides of the square will be yellow. The sides of the square will be blue. The square will be filled with yellow color. The square will be filled with blue. The sides of the square will be blue and the inside will be white. Answers: the sides of the square will be blue. The square will be filled with yellow color. Below are some suggestions for cascading styles prepared for a web page. Which of the following are correct? H3 curly bracket, font size 30 pixel. H3 curly bracket, font size equal to URW bookman. H3 round bracket, font size 30 pixel. H3 curly bracket, font family URW bookman. H3 square bracket, font size 30 pixel. Answers: H3 curly bracket, font size 30 pixel. H3 curly bracket, font family URW. Which two of the following statements regarding e-banking are correct? Money can be transferred to another account. Anyone can withdraw money without password. Account details can be checked without going to the bank. You can withdraw money from other people's accounts. It is possible to know the balance amount in other people's account. Answers: money can be transferred to another account. Account details can be checked without going to the bank. Which of the following are the uses of the tool M in the menu of SunClock software? Longitudinal lines appear with a single click on the tool. Latitudinal lines appear with a single click on the tool. The degree measurements of longitudinal lines are available below when double-click on the tool. The degree measurements of latitudinal lines are available below when double-click on the tool. Time zone map appears while clicking on the tools. Answers: longitudinal lines appear with a single click on the tool. The degree measurements of longitudinal lines are available below when double-click the tool. Fonts and background colors in a web page are to be defined using cascading styles. Which of the following attributes can be used for this? To define the font family. To define the background color, background. To define the background color, color. To define the font family, font size. To define the font family, font size. Answers: to define the font family, font family. To define the background color, background. What are the numbers to be added in place of A and B to get an equilateral triangle as output in the Python program? Program is for I in range of bracket forward 100 right bracket. Options: A 3, A 120, B 3, B 120, B 60. Correct answers: A 3, B 120. In a Python graphics program, to construct a circle in blue color, which of the following instructions can be used? COLOR color blue, pen COLOR blue, COLOUR color blue, pen COLOUR pen color blue, pen blue. Answers: COLOR color blue, pen COLOR pen color blue. Choose two instances from the following where the mail merge technique can be used in LibreOffice Writer. To prepare school magazine, to prepare an application to be given to the principal, to prepare certificates for science fair winners, to prepare the participant card for the participants in Kalolsava, to prepare the report for Little Kites Club. Answers: to prepare certificates for science fair winners, to prepare the participant card for participants in Kalolsava. Cascading styles included in a web page is given. Which of the following statements are true about the paragraphs in this web page? In the program, P font size 24 pixel, color green. Options: the font size will be 30 pixel, the color will be blue, the font size will be 24 pixel, the color will be green, the background color will be blue. Answers: the font size will be 24 pixel, the color will be green. Which of the following are two preparatory steps for making animations? Save the project, run the animation, storyboard making, character making, activate animate editing mode. Answers: character making, Activate Animate Editing Mode. Which of the following styles are included in the Styles window of LibreOffice Writer? Paragraph style, object style, index style, letter style, character style. Answers: paragraph style, character style. Which of the following statements about mobile operating systems are correct? Android is developed by Google. Tyson is developed by Apple Corporation. Tyson is developed by BlackBerry Limited. iOS is developed by Apple Corporation. Android is developed by Microsoft. Answers: Android is developed by Google. iOS is developed by Apple Corporation. As part of making a poster, Anu drew 4 objects in Inkscape software. After selecting all the objects together, what methods can be used to make them a single object? Object raise, object logo, object group, right-click group, right-click move to layer. Answers: object group, right-click group. Find the 2 most appropriate statements about free software from the following statements. The source code of the software is provided to the user. Only the object code of the software is provided to the user. Provides an opportunity to use it freely, study the program, and take copies. Modifications and additions to the software are not permitted. Updating or copying the software are not permitted. Answers: the source code of the software is provided to the user. Provides an opportunity to use it freely, study the program, and take copies. If the given cascading style is applied to a web page, which of the following changes will occur to the H1 heading of the web page? In program, H1, background yellow, color blue. Options: gets yellow color, gets green color, gets yellow background color, gets blue color, gets blue background color. Answers: gets yellow background color, gets blue color. The image shows a part of the Styles window in LibreOffice Writer. Which of the following categories of styles does it include? Header, character, index, object, page. Answers: character, page. Which of the following statements about bitmap images are correct? Bitmap images lose clarity when enlarged. Bitmap images are vector images. Bitmap images are images that do not lose clarity when enlarged. SVG images are bitmap images. Bitmap images are raster images. Answers: bitmap images lose clarity when enlarged. Bitmap images are raster images. Which of the following are files created in LibreOffice Writer? Students.odp, students.odt, students.otp, students.ott, students.ods. Answers: students.odt, students.ott. In the image, a circle is drawn using Inkscape software, integrating shadow and light in it to create a three-dimensional view. Which techniques in Inkscape are used for this? Difference, linear gradient, radial gradient, union, put on path. Answers: linear gradient, radial gradient. When the given cascading styles are included in a web page, which of the following features will the web page have? Program, body, background indigo, P, background white, color red, H2, background yellow, color purple. Options: the web page gets a white background color. The web page gets a yellow background color. H2 headings get purple background color. The paragraphs get a white background color. The paragraphs get a red color. Answers: the paragraphs get a white background color. The paragraphs get a red color. Which of the following statements are correct regarding cascading styles in the creation of web page? Images and colors were first introduced in HTML 2.3 version. Fonts and colors were first introduced in HTML 3.2 version. CSS is included in web designing by the organization called ICANN. CSS was developed by Tim Berners-Lee and Windsurf. CSS has been included in web design by W3 Consortium. Answers: font and colors were first introduced in HTML 3.2 version. CSS has been included in web design by W3C. Which of the following are not computer languages? Python, Java, GeoGebra, C++, Sunclock. Answers: GeoGebra, Sunclock. Find out which of the following statements are correct about the analytical engine, the first computer that Charles Babbage tried to make. It was intended to be powered by steam. The analytical engine has powered. The analytical engine was powered by electricity. Ada Byron agreed to write the computer program. This computer did not have any program. Ken Thompson agreed to write the computer program. Answers: it was intended to be powered by steam. Ada Byron agreed to write the computer program. Choose the correct statements from the following about images created in Inkscape software. Can export to JPG format. The default file format of the images will be SVG. Only vector images can be edited in Inkscape. The file format will be XCF. Bitmap images can be imported and edited. Answers: the default file format of the images will be SVG. Bitmap images can be imported and edited. Cascading styles included in a web page is given. Which of the following statements are true about the paragraphs in the web page? In program, P, font size 24 pixel, color green. Options: the font size will be 30 pixel, the color will be blue. The font size will be 24 pixel, the color will be green, the background color will be blue. Answers: the font size will be 24 pixel, the color will be green. Select two actions to perform before animating the first frame in Synfig Studio. Set start time to 60 frame. Set start time to 0 frame. Enable animate editing mode. Press the play button to watch the animation. Lock keyframes. Answers: set start time to 60 frame. Enable animate editing mode. Who coined the concept of cascading style related to the creation of web page? Hakon Woomley, Tim Berners-Lee, Bert Bose, Ray Tomlinson, Linus Torvalds. Answers: Hakon Woomley, Bert Bose.